Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video about the new Petron Bass Buds Pro unboxing and review. Well, in this video I'm going to share you about its full review with its pros and cons. Also, I try to differentiate between the older Petron Bass Buds Pro versus the new Petron Bass Buds Pro. So we'll cover all these things in this video, guys. Well, now let's get started into this video, guys. Well guys, this is the new Petron Bass Buds Pro package. As you've seen here, so this is the product overview. This is how the product as looks like, and here is the some of the few specs has been mentioned. It has supported 10 meter of connection range. It has a 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz of frequency response, and it's having a battery of 40 mAh on each earbud, and having a 300 mAh of in charging case. And it almost similar to the specs as like in the earlier Petron Bass Buds Pro. One thing, the difference is that the design and the color variants. The new Petron Bass Buds Pro as comes in the normal black with the blue, and then black with red, and then black with the green colors. I have already posted a review of the Petron Bass Buds Pro, which is launched 2 years back. Now in this video, just see the new Petron Bass Buds Pro. So firstly, the box containing barcode bar, and then here is the instruction manual of this new Petron Bass Buds Pro, and then so this is the actual product. So how do you guys like this new Petron Bass Buds Pro? So the front on the top, this is a Petron branding. After opening, so this is the black with the blue color variant. So the colors and the design looks good, and it has a mini display to show the actual battery in the charging case. And then this is the earbud. Actually, these Petron Bass Buds Pro is actually very small in size. The earbuds are really small, as you seen here. And this time the ear tips comes with the new, it's the same blue color variant as like in the charging case. And this earbud is actually very small in size, and this time the design is actually something modified. So here is some like step like cutting. By this there might be a chance of easy fitment in your ears. Well, after that, inside the box, so there is another small packaging. Inside we having some of the ear tips. So here we having a 2 pair of ear tips, and also we totally have 3 pair. One pair is already pre-equipped in the default earbuds, and this is the other 2 pair of ear tips. And after that we have a Type-C cable. So that is one of the good thing. So in the charging case, here is a Type-C port. Nowadays all the new smartphones comes with Type-C port as for battery charging, and this Bluetooth earbuds is also comes with the Type-C port. So this is helpful for us to charge both the smartphone and this new Petron Bass Buds Pro with the single cable. So that's all the package is actually contains. Now let's move on to this product overview and how the product audio quality, call quality, and finally battery consumption, all the things we can explore in the next. Well guys, now let's talk about its overview. Well, firstly, how do you guys like this Petron Bass Buds Pro? This is the new Petron Bass Buds Pro. So it is actually comes with the 4 colors. So this is the black with the blue, and then black with red, and then black with green, and overall a older model, like a fully black color model. So the design is actually quite good. It comes with a compact in size, you can easily hold into your palm. And it on the front side, here is the Petron branding. So the branding is also good, and on the sides you will get a blue color stroke like design. So inside you will get a blue color design. And after that, rear side, here is some of them mentioned. So it has a 300 mAh of battery in this charging case. Opening, and then the rear side, you'll get a USB Type-C port connectivity. So using this you can charge this Bluetooth, you can charge this charging case. And after opening, so this is the Petron Bass Buds Pro inside view. Here you has 2 earbuds placed in the charging bed, and in the charging case you will also get a dedicated display. So using this you can actually find how much of battery percentage is available in this charging case. So now it's actually having a 28% of charging, and also this charging case comes with the magnetic lock support. So once I place the earbuds into the charging case, the earbuds will never fall down, since it comes with the magnetic support in the charging case. And after that, so once you place the earbuds into the charging case, so here is a LED indication. So it shows the red color light, which means the earbuds are currently in charging mode. And after that, in overall, it comes with a good design. So the build quality is actually good. The door hinge is also too good. It will be never broken seamlessly. So it has some of the good durability. And after that, Now moving on to the earbuds. So these earbuds has a dedicated microphone support, and each earbud has a LED's indication which indicates charging. And after that, here is a round shape, so it is a touch area. So using this you can able to make touch control. In earlier Petron BassBuds Pro, the touch areas actually comes at the rear side, full areas comes with the touch control, but in the new Petron BassBuds Pro you will now get a this circular shape is comes with the touch area. And after that, overall the earbud size is too small comparing to the earlier Petron BassBuds Pro. So there is slight cutting here for making a better wearing into the ear. So this earbud is actually a in-ear type of earbud, so it can be easily fits into the ear. And after that, on the rear side, so here is a L&R mention, and this is the charging connector port, and the ear tips is comes with the blue color variant, so which is the actual charging case color variant. So you'll get a similar color in the ear tips. Now let's check on how it's wearing, after that its performance. Well guys, next on wearing, so I can actually have a good comfortness on wearing this Petron BassBuds new Pro model. So it has similarly it comes with this small in size, so you can easily wear this earbuds into the ear. And actually this comes with the in-ear type of Bluetooth wireless earbud, so you can easily fit the earbuds into the ear, and the earbuds will actually fits comfortably into the ear. And even also I am shaking my head, or I can even goes to walking or jogging with a minimum amount of speed also, so the earbuds will never falls down from my ears. So I am having a good comfortness on wearing this Bluetooth wireless earbud on this new Petron BassBuds Pro model. Then moving on to its connectivity option, it actually comes with the latest Bluetooth version 5.1 as a connectivity option. Then on testing the connection range, so in my point of view it actually works well, so I can able to speak also, or I can able to hear the music even I left my smartphone and I go through this more than one room also. And on testing in a single earbud usage, I'm using as a single earbud, in that case I can go from a second room means, so during that time there is some of the fluctuation in the audio quality I am hearing. But in case I am connecting dual earbud means, so that time there is no connection range issue. When I try to connect as a single earbud, that time it has some of the connection range issues. And next, moving on to its audio and call quality, so it has a similar audio quality as like a already launched Petron BassBuds Pro model. So it has a very good sound optimization feature. Even though I am hearing your songs at a maximum volume, the audio clarity is clear, the vocals are crystal clear, and at any point of view you will not feel any type of irritation, and there is no missing in the audio quality. So the vocals are completely clear, and that is one of the important thing for the every earbud. And after that, based on the device connection, you will get a stereo effect features. So I'll get the stereo effect feature. I can able to hear some of the songs, some of the vocals in the right and the left earbud. I can able to feel the transition from the left earbud to the right earbud, so the music transition from the left to right and then right to left. So that are the stereo effects I can able to experience in this Petron BassBuds Pro model. But the stereo effects is completely depends upon your device. So if your device is having a stereo feature means, you will get that stereo effect feature when you are connecting this Petron BassBuds Pro model. And in terms of bass quality, so this is as a enough amount of bass, so actually it priced for rupees 1000 to 1100 something price segment. At that price segment, it is one of the very best worthables Bluetooth wireless earbud in terms of audio quality. So it actually produces a very good vocals, and then it has a good volume of sounds. In case if you are guys actually liking in more sounds means, so this Petron BassBuds Pro will output a maximum of sounds, so you'll get a more sounds. And after that, it has a good clarity of vocals, and the bass sounds is also clear. You will actually feel the differences between the vocals and bass, and you can enjoy the music, and you can always enjoy the bass while hearing songs via this Petron BassBuds Pro. Then this Petron BassBuds Pro Bluetooth wireless earbud is also comes with the stereo effects of features. Then moving on to its call quality, so in terms of call quality, it actually doesn't comes with any active noise cancellation that like, but you can't expect like that much, since it is actually priced around rupees 1000 to 1100 price segment. So in case if you are speaking calls in indoor means you can seamlessly speak calls for hours like that. But in case if you are going outdoor, and in case if you are going through a bike, and if you are in stuck in the traffic like that means, so at that situation also you can able to speak calls, and you can able to communicate the information you are going to pass to the opposite one. But the thing is that the opposite one can also able to hear all the background noises in the circumstance you are here living. So it is not comes with the active noise cancellation. So in case if you are speaking calls in the outdoor means, the opposite one can able to hear your voices as well as the background voices too. Finally, moving on to the battery consumption. So this charging case is actually comes with the 300 mAh of the standard battery, and after that each earbud is powered with a 40 mAh of battery. So in terms of battery consumption, as I said in the most review videos, like so if Bluetooth earbuds comes with the combination of a charging case and the earbud, like this combination means you never feel about its battery consumption, because on the full charge, so these Piton BassBuds Pro, so both the earbuds comes with the continuous of 5 hours of a music playback. So on a full charge of your both the earbuds and this charging case, so at one time you will get a 5 hours of continuous music playback in each earbuds. And after that you can also refill the earbuds charging by again placing the earbuds in this charging case. So you can refill the earbuds charging by again and again placing up to 3 times. For a single time, a earbud can give you 5 hours of music playback time. So approximately it will give you a maximum of 15 hours to 17 hours of a continuous music playback on a single charger for both charging case and the earbuds fully. So this is one of the best in terms of battery segment. And in case if you are a user, you are actually hearing songs per day 1 hour to 2 hours like that means, so once you made a full charge including both the earbuds and the charging case means, you can hear your songs for a week, and you can actually you can able to put the charge weekly once like that only. So it is one of the best in terms of battery consumption. So it is one of the best Bluetooth wireless earbud in terms of battery consumption. Now next let's talk about its pros and cons section. So firstly let's talk about its pros. So the pros are, actually I really like this design. So just see this design, you also seamlessly like this design. So it is comes with the black with the blue color model. Also it comes with some more colors like black with the red and then black with the green like that. So the Bluetooth earbuds is actually quite compact, you can easily hold into your palm itself, and the design is also too good. So in terms of design wise I really like it. So in this price segment actually you will get a display like that. So this is one of the good thing that Piton has bringing this type of innovative feature in a budget segment itself. Actually priced rupees 1100 to 1000 like that only. And after that in terms of design wise, next thing is that so the Bluetooth wireless earbud comes with the touch controls function. And in this area, so there is one more cons also, I can explain that in the con section. So now in terms of earbuds, so you can easily wear this earbud into your ear itself. So this is actually built for say in-ear type of earbud. So the earbud is actually comfortably fits into my ear. As you seen here, the earbuds is comfortably fits into the ear. So even though I am shaking, the earbud will never falls down. So in terms of wearing, I can give a 100 out of 100. So in my point of view, the wearing is 100% perfect. Then in terms of audio quality, at this price segment you will get a good audio quality. It has a good sound optimization, it has a good volume, and you will get a more sounds, and you will get a stereo effects of features. So the transition from the left to right earbuds, so the music transition, so that is one of the good thing. So at this price segment you will get a good audio quality, so you can seamlessly experience a wonderful experience on hearing music through this Piton BassBuds Pro model. And finally it has a good battery consumption. So the charging cases comes with a 300 mAh of battery, and each earbud has a 40 mAh of battery. So on a single charge, so on the both earbud you can able to play a songs maximum of 5 hours of a continuous music playback at a higher volume. So the on single charge of both earbud you will get a 5 hours of a continuous music playback. So that is an interesting thing. Yeah, so one of the best in terms of battery consumption. Well, now let's move on to its con section. So in this con section, so the first thing I am going to experiencing a issue, like what is that? So in the earlier the older Petron Bass Buds Pro model, so you'll get a full area as the touch control. So as you seen here, the older model is actually comes with the full area as the touch control, but this new Petron Bass Buds Pro model has comes with the only this part is actually comes with the touch area. At this area only you can able to make the touch controls. So the issue is that the touch sensitivity is not that much good in the earlier Petron Bass Buds Pro, and I have already mentioned in that video also that so the Petron Bass Buds Pro touch sensitivity is also is very good, but in this new Petron Bass Buds Pro the touch sensitivity is not that much like as like a older Petron Bass Buds Pro. So that is the one thing I can experiencing a lot. So in case I am going through a bike and in case I suddenly switch to the next song, or I can or I suddenly need to play or pause the songs, means I can't able to do instantly. So because whenever I am touching this touch control, it will never pause the song, and I can't able to switch to the next song in case if I didn't like the current song, like that. So I am experiencing lot of issues while making a touch control function via this Bluetooth wireless earbud. So apart from this, there is no that much of a major cons. So in my point of view, so you have to face some little issues while you making a touch controls via this Bluetooth earbud, and in case if you are guys, if you are not making any functions via the Bluetooth wireless earbud, means then there is no issue. You can seamlessly hear songs. It has a good audio quality, it has a good battery consumption. You can even speak calls in the outdoor, you can communicate to the opposite one, and after that it has a good design and it has a good hearing. So overall it is one of the best Bluetooth wireless earbud in the budget segment. So that's all about this review with its pros and cons, guys. So what do you guys think about this new Petron Bass Buds Pro model? In my point of view, this is one of the worthable Bluetooth wireless earbud in this price segment. Well guys, that's all about this video, guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below, and thanks for watching this video, guys.